2 in the morning. Werks is in 5 hours. And we're here in the garage prepping. Alan's on his second car of the hour. Oh, God. Cayenne's ready. How's the Boxster, Jake? Good morning, guys. Happy Friday. All the cars are warming up, and we're about to head to Werks Reunion 2025. Let's go. It's 6 in the morning. Here's the 911 parking. So obviously me and Jarek are gonna have to go somewhere else, and we can't park with everyone else, but that's fine. Hey, morning.
You're gonna go straight and turn by the guy with by the pond, okay?
Oh, sure, okay. Hey, morning.
Follow
Oh, thanks so much.
follow the black car.
Overshot that one a little bit.
That's okay. You're the first one.
All right.
So right up in here.
Perfect. We made it, and it looks like I'm the first 4-door Porsche here, because I'm in the section for Macans, Cayennes, Panameras, and Taycans. So we're here. It's completely empty right now. I'm gonna start setting up. Fully set up out here, guys. I never thought I would have this good of a view, but here we are on top of a Cayenne. What's up, dude?
That's sick.
check out this 986 trailer. We just met Song here.
Hey there.
Yeah, you've been building this thing and...
Yeah, this is actually version 2. I built the first one 2 years ago. This is the one that has all the features that I wanted from using the first one. So quick intro to this. It's a Boxster shell on a custom frame with timber and suspension, so that's actually off-road capable. Over there, we've got Macan wheels on it for a friend, very kind friend. So the concept here, I'm trying to repurpose everything, like conceal things, have a sense of delight. So you can see, maybe I'll just go here first. Got a lot of storage in the front once you remove the engine, because that's what the engine used to be. Right, I've got bike racks, front and rear. This bike rack swings away. Let me show you how it goes. Swings away, and then here is the party trick of the trailer pull out, and there's the kitchen here. You got your camping stove. You've got more storage underneath. I just use plastic totes to keep it flexible. You pull this cable here, you get access to the trunk. You've got a fridge in here and extra storage for kitchen equipment and so on. I've got a carbon fiber rooftop tent and 270 awning as well. Whole thing weighs in about 1,300 pounds dry, so any small SUV, RAV4, CRV could tow it.
Nice. Man, no, thanks for the walkthrough, Song.
Yeah, no, thank you so much for your time.
Yeah, I heard you're selling this though.
I am selling this, trying to. Anyone, 1 or 2 people want one, I'll build it for them.
Derek, tow a 986 with your 987.
That'd be sick. Imagine.
I love the community here so much. We just met Cliff, and he was like, hey, I have a leftover phone mount for my old 955 Turbo. I don't have the car anymore, but do you want the phone mount? And I was like, no, it's okay. But he ended up bringing it over, and yeah, here it is. We have a Runline phone mount, and it hooks on right here. And we might just get to this today, guys.
How tall are you?
I'm 5'3".
Oh, there
I
you
need to
go.
be like 4'11".
Guys, guess who just joined Golden Gate region?
I got hella stickers.
Oh yeah, both of you guys joined Golden Gate, huh?
Together.
Welcome. I'm celebrating 1,000 subscribers on YouTube. So,
Oh, fantastic.
yeah, it
Yeah.
finally happened. It took a while, but we're here.
Doesn't it?
Yeah.
Does. 1,000 subscribers.
I saw you walk by earlier and I was like, oh my god, that is the John. Can I please get you a hot one? Yeah, dude, come on, come on. Ketchup mustard? Mustard? Alright.
Mustard.
Give me a hand.
Oh, wala pala akong class friend.
Oh, you're fine, you're fine.
No, si ikaw na lang magawa.
Yeah.
Alright, John. Hey, safe travels, man. We'll see you around. Okay, cheers. Subscribe and like. Hey, come get your fresh hot links. Hot links here. Fresh hot links. Yeah, this is gonna hold like 500 pounds, you're good. You know, bro, you inspired me. I'm gonna join you up here. Let's go to Cannery Row. Another amazing Werks. Oh, it's all about the people. I've said that every year and I will continue to say it. The people make this event what it is. Every single year, you find people that you really mesh with, people that you really get to geek out about with these cars. And just like this year even, I found a bunch of people that love Cayennes and we just talked about it all day. We just spent like the last hour or so talking to these 957 owners and geeking out about these things, and it's so cool. Later. Good morning, y'all. I ended up falling asleep in the Cayenne, and honestly, the two 991s are heading out to go to Exotics on Broadway. Thank you all for subscribing. I can't believe I hit 1,000 subscribers, and I am so honored to just be able to make this content and, you know, give you guys stuff that you like watching. So with that, y'all, now we're out. So till next time, peace.